Now, topic genetic code by P. Trinadrao, lecturer in biotechnology, Department of Botany, Biotechnology, 3rd BSc, Semester 5B, Unit 1, Paper, Gene Expression and rDNA Technology. Genetic code definition: DNA is a genetic material. It carries genetic information from cell to cell and from generation to generation. The genetic information are exist in DNA molecules. They're written in articulate or coded language on DNA molecule. Nature of genetic code. A DNA molecule is composed of three kinds of mitosis: phosphoric acid, deoxyribonucleic sugars, and nitrogen. The DNA has a certain special language of code words which might utilize the four nitrogen bases of DNA. For its symbol, any coded message is commonly called cryptogram. Introduction: the group of nucleotides that specifies one amino acid is coded words or code by the genetic code. George Gamow about possible size of a code. There are likely three main B64 triplet codons for 20 amino acids. The possible singlet, doublet, and triplet codes which represent in the terms of mRNA language. Code assortment: DNA sequence of a gene is converted to mRNA by transcription process. Then this direction, the assemble of specific sequence of amino acid during transcription. In this slide, DNA is a template strand coded with A, T, G, A, C, C, and A, G, C, G, so on. On the process of transcription, mRNA strand is formed. So, in mRNA strand, you observe the AUG, ACC, AGC. This type of genetic code is coded by genetical language. So, the protein are three codons: AUG is methylene, ACC thyrine, and AGC glycine. Like that, genetic codons with protein or amino acid. Genetic code of this worked out in earlier 1960s by Marshall Nenberg, Hergovind Kuran, and other. The code was E. coli in 1961, and also Crick used by T4 bacteriophage to confine the genetic code. The term genetic code, George Gamow. The collection of codes is called genetic code. For 20 amino acids, each code should have 3 nucleotides to important specify to each of the amino acid for specific code. First one, nucleotide 4 combinations, 2 nucleotide 16 combinations, and 3 nucleotide with 64 combination. Most suited for 20 amino acids. 3 codes do not for any amino acid. Types of codon. There are 3 types of codons: single codon, sense codon, single codon. These code that code for single during protein synthesis are called single codon. Example: AUG, UAA. Sense codon. The sense code that code for amino acids are called sense codon. These are two types of single codons. These are a terminating codon and a B initiating codon. Termination codon: A UAA UAG and UGA are terminating codons or nonsense codons are often referred to as amber or opal codons. Initiation codons. AUG is the first initiation codon. It codes for the first amino acid in all proteins. At the starting point, it codes for methionine in eukaryotes and formally methionine in prokaryotes. In this slide, we observe the genetic codon table. By crossing between UCAG and UCAG in first letter and second letter to forms the third letters. These all are 64 triplet codons are occurs in this tabular form. Each triplet codon codes with amino acid and UAA, UGA are the stop codons and UGA also stop codon. AUG or MET codon, that means AUG MET or chain initiation codon, and UAA, UAG, UGA, these are nonsense codons or stop codons. In this whole tabular form observed by the sequence of bases T4 bacteria phase. Characteristics of genetic code. There are 9 characteristics of genetic code. The genetic code has following general properties. The code is triplet codon. That means the nucleotides of mRNA arranged as a linear sequence of codes. Each code consists of nitrogenous base. The code is triplet codon. The concept of triplet codons has been supported by two type two types mutation two type point mutations occurs. That means the code are in triplet codon. You see in this table UUU, UCG, UAA and also CCG, whatever it may be. In this table we observe the all are triplet codon. That means three letters are joined together to form a single code. In triplet codons has two type point mutations. A frame shift mutation. The genetic message once fixed point on three letters words CAT or ATC is example. That means these shift mutation means to observe the only three codons are occurs. B base substitution. It in a mRNA molecule at the particular point one base pair is replaced by another without any detection or addition. GGA codon for glycine becomes a messenger code AGA with code for Argentine. The code is cumulus. The genetic code is means that after one amino acid is coded, the second amino acid will be automatically coded by next three letters and so on. Latter harvested has the punctuation marks. That means the genetic codon only the genetic code we based on 5 prime to 3 prime. In those direction the code is cumulus. That means automatically in upper side of the direction code is generated with genetically message and the reverse way and the opposite direction codes automatically. That means code is cumulus. The code is non-ambiguous. Non-ambiguous means that a particular code will always for the amino acid. In case of ambiguous code, the same code could have different meaning two or more than different amino acid. That means in this situation AUG and GUG both are coded with the same amino acid, that means methionine. This is called non-ambiguous. That means AUG and GUG are both scenes to different code structures, but it code methionine. The code has polarity. The code is always read in fixed direction in the 5 prime to 3 prime direction inwards. To code has polarity. The code is ready opposite direction since the code is receive base sequence. The code degenerated. More than one code specified the same amino acid. This is called degeneracy. That means tryptophan and methionine which have a single code each. Code for leucine. CUU and CUC is the tryptophan and methionine. Some code hack has start codon. In most organisms, AUG is the start codon or initiating codon. In E. coli, methionine is start codon or N-formally methionine in prokaryotes is a start codon. Some code act as stop codon. Three codes are A, UAG, UAA and UGA are the chain stop codons or terminated codons. These codons to terminate or to regulate the reaction or to stop the coding sequence. They don't code for amino acid. UGA codes also called nonsense codon. In these nonsense codons, without have any specific amino acid sequence or specifies the without any amino acid. In genetic codon table, we observe the 64 codons are occur. In those 64 codons, remaining 3 all are amino acid coded, but UAG, UAA and UGA are without amino acid, specify without amino acid. The code is universal. Some genetic code found valid for all organisms ranging from bacteria to man, demonstrated by Marshall. So, the code is universal means comparison between bacteria to man. All genetic code are universal. The above topic referred from Genetics by P.S. Verma, V.K. Agarwal and Essential Microbiology by Stanberg. Presented by Trinath Rao, lecturer in biotechnology.